A dental filling is a restoration meant to fill a cavity or a large gap in a tooth caused by chipping. They are also a way to repair a tooth without more serious dental work involving an implant. Fillings can be completed in just a single visit to the dentist. Cavities are essentially holes in the tooth structure that are caused by decay from bacteria and plaque buildup. Cavities will work away at the tooth enamel. If left untreated, a cavity has the capacity to work its way through the inner dentin to the root canal and nerve of the tooth, causing a serious infection. Fillings are meant to prevent this and restore your tooth. Dental fillings can also be used to replace old, worn fillings or to repair a chipped tooth. If your dentist recommends a filling, it is important to have the restoration placed before the decay and damage progresses. This will lead to a more painful, not to mention expensive, dental problem. A local anesthetic will be used to numb the affected tooth and ensure the procedure is as painless as possible. Using a hand tool, your dentist will remove any areas of decay or damage. Then the tooth will be cleaned. After adding a bonding solution, the tooth is filled with the material of choice, which is called composite resin, created from plastic and glass particles. The dental filling composite can be matched to your natural tooth, colored for a natural, aesthetic result. Your dentist will use a special blue light to harden the composite material. Once the material is set, your dentist will make sure the filling fits your tooth and matches your bite. It will be sculpted to fit the tooth's normal shape. Your dentist may make some adjustments for comfort and effectiveness. You may experience some tenderness following the procedure. This is normal. However, if the discomfort continues, please contact your dentist. The longevity of your composite filling is largely based on your oral hygiene habits and your diet. Be sure to brush and floss daily to keep your teeth healthy and your filling in good condition. Your composite filling may discolor or break over time, so be sure to keep up with your regular dental visits every 6 months. Have you experienced any problems with your restoration? Please contact your dentist today to learn more about the benefits of composite fillings.